Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make AI emojis in iOS 18. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Genmoji is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 50 Pro Max models. If you have one of these devices, you can create a Genmoji using these steps. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Second, start a new message or go to an existing conversation. Third, in the text field, write the prompt for your emoji. These are the tips to write better Genmoji prompts in iOS 18. To get Genmoji to create the best results, you need to write effective prompts. These are the prompts. Be specific. The more details you provide, the better Apple Intelligence can understand your imagination. Start with basic descriptions like happy face to express your feelings. Bring your emojis to life with verbs. Also mix and match emotions and objects like excited unicorn with rainbow. Use personalized suggestions provided by the Messages app in real time. You can use them or tweak them a bit to create custom emojis based on the context. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.